Wait, I'll do the next spin while I'm trying to figure this out. You wanna come duel, bestie?
A few moments later.
Pog, I still want it! Let's go! Just make my link YouTube with Discord. Let's go! Has there a Tekken ever? Is it really? I don't know. I don't play Tekken.
Later.
Don't embarrass me, turn 1. I'll try not to. You may cook more.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Yeah, boy.
All right. I can't. Okay. Trickstar's better deck. Oof. This is kind of funny. Okay. Continue. Okay. What? Okay. Pisty? The pissy? Let me cook, I have something. I'm letting you cook, King. I don't know what you want me to do. Right? In fact, I'll toggle off. Pop off, King. Go. Go crazy, go stupid.
Yes!
Should Brazil stop recording to see Kirby's recipe right now? You gotta do the 5-headed dragon. This is so fun. No! Oh man. I cook more. Okay, continue cooking, my boy. Imagine the end with Zark. No, stop to be so funny. If he ends with Zark. Okay. Ultimate Fusion. The revived Sky God. Stop!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Stop!
Slifer, the executive producer.
I will pass here. I'll activate my boy, Link Karibo. Bye, mommy. 07s. Think I'm being proud. I mean, I know this is blue eyes here. But still, oh my god, this fucking sniper. So funny. Oh yeah, Mike. Thank you. Is that Chaos Max? Stop! Alright. Oh my god, no! No, Stardust Dragon, you know what it reminds me of? One of those like deep sea like sharks. Like one's like the was in those really like deep trenches. They have the really ugly looking faces. That's what Star Striker reminds me of.
Sometime later.
Yeah, it's been a power curve to hell and back, but I'm sure at the time it was fucking bonkers. Welcome to membership, bestie! Hey, yo, is that a super chat?
That is Cap Stardust is best in the game.
Good zone!
Or is it that I'm not like other girls. I watch anime and I wear graphic t-shirts and skinny jeans. So you're like every other girl. So you're like every other girl on Facebook. Calm down.